I made a Lego case to hold all of my Lego components. Here's the build process. That was the build. This is the final result. I put a white build inside with the biggest graphics card I got, and fully white everything except the cooler. The only thing that I don't like about this version is the power supply, and I changed a few things like the case connector, but otherwise this was the final build. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great day. Bye bye.